How to block and unblock Booking.com calendar. Once you're logged in with your Booking.com extranet at admin.booking.com, you will arrive at your listing screen, which should look like this. Click on Calendar and Pricing option. From the drop-down menu, tap on Calendar. This action will open the calendar. If your calendar appears in the list format, you can switch it to the monthly view by clicking on the List View option. This monthly view makes it easier to make changes. To adjust availability, you can simply select the dates by dragging your mouse or by holding down the three bars and scrolling to the desired dates. On the right side, if the date is open, you can mark it as closed, making those dates unavailable immediately. There is one more important thing to note. Booking.com allows hosts to set multiple rate plans. Therefore, if you have multiple rate plans for your listing, you must choose the dates on all of them. To do this, select each rate plan and scroll down to make your changes. Once you've updated all the rate plans, click on Save and your availability will be updated. If you're curious about managing rate plans, it's straightforward. Go back to Calendar and Pricing drop-down, then click on Rate Plans. Here you can define your rate plans on Booking.com, which associate different prices with various cancellation policies. Unlike other platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo, where you can only choose one cancellation policy, Booking.com allows you to select multiple policies, each with its own rate plan. This is why you saw multiple rate plans when updating availability on the calendar. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.